Hi everyone. So in today's session we will discuss on how to show the total on top of the stack bar. Okay. So usually when we create a stack bar and once we select the show mark label, by default we will get the numbers or basically the measure value on each division of the stack bar. So for example here we can see that okay, for furniture category the sales is 163k. Similarly for office supplies it's 167, and for technology it's 170. But what if we want to show like how much was the total sale for this central region, right? So it's very easy, and I will there are multiple ways of doing that. For example, you can create a dual axis chart, and by that way we also you can show the total on the top, but it's a little bit cumbersome, I would say. One of the easiest way of showing the total in these situations is by going to analytics. Okay, this is just like a 3 or 4 steps process, that's all. I bet this is the easiest way. So you come to the analytics, go to the reference line, drag it over here. Once you will drag it, you will see three options: add a reference line in table, in pane, or in cell. So here we want the total for each cell, or basically for each bar, right? So I will drag it into the cells. So once I drag it into the cell, you will see this pop-up window that comes up. Okay, so here in the values you have to select sum of sales, and by default you see here the aggregation is average. You have to change it to total. Okay, and then in label you can select the value or the computation or custom as well. So what it means is, once you select the value, it will show the total value of sales on top of the bar. If you select computation, it means like what kind of computation it's doing. For example, here we are doing the total, right? So it will just show like total text. Okay, so and in custom you can select anything, like you can even do a combination of like total semicolon the value. So basically computation semicolon value, so it will give you like total semicolon the number, or basically the total sales for that particular region. So here for since we are doing it in the easy way, I will just select the value over here. Okay, so once I select the value, you can see this total number, it comes up over here, right? So it's just easy as that. Click OK. So here, since the background of my worksheet is almost like dark gray, so that's why you're seeing it's highlighted in white. But if you have like a white worksheet background, you won't see this, and you will just see the total numbers over there. But if you want, I can just quickly go to format, shading. No, I don't want any shading. Right. Font I will make white, and that's it. Now you can see the total on top. Okay, so thanks for watching. For any question, please mention in the comment section, and I would request you guys to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.